Sawubona bhoza yami unjani? I hope right. Igama lami nguMandisi wakaKheswa Sibongo, and if you're seeing me for the first time, githi sawubona. Welcome to the family. And if you are already a subscriber, ishonami kahle kahle wena wiboza. And if you too want to join Amabhoza squad, just feel free, press on that subscribe button njengamanje. Like a video bhoza yami, because that's what we do in this channel. We like before we forget. Bhoza. It's a new video and I have a special guest namhlanje. Angihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no nomyeni wami.
Happy birthday myeni wami.
Sindiphathele a different video. This time around we are doing a Shein haul and we have a little twist into it. Umyeni doesn't know about this, so uzobe shockekile njengani njengamanje. You will be rating ama outfits ami. While rating my outfits, uzobusitshela ukuthi ingoma oyicabangayo engqondweni that comes first uma ubona lo outfit.
Serious?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Wena?
Get ready, babe. But before we continue, let's address the elephant in the room. You probably see Ibhoza has a new smile. And that was one of my goals for this year, ukuthi for me to fix Ismail Sami. I had izinyo elibonile la. And then khona elinye izinyo lakhula ngaphakathi, so ngizama ukuphusha lona ngililethe phambili. And I have my rubber teeth khona elilodwa elithe qhu la forward, so I'm just trying to see fix it and have my dream smile. And guess what? Kusasa kuzoyenzakalani?
Kusasa
So Kusasa Umyeni and I will be matching because now he's fixing his smile. We're super excited, bhoza yami. And shout out to Shein for sponsoring the video. Shout out to Shein. Let's go! By the way, this outfit is also from Shein. I'm a pajama love, so screenshots are like, babe, while I go change, do you want to give them an outfit of the day? Yak?
Okay. My outfit of the day, ifake jackets from Markham. Ifake tank top from Cotton On. Ifake shorts from Factory. Masukuba nalezi icathulo lezi. Lezi icathulo ngayithola eCotton On. Ibuko ezakashini isigqoko ngasithatha kumzala wangipa umzala wami ngoba ebona isizongifanela. So that's about it.
First outfit. This is our first item. First outfit.
Yes.
Outfit number 1. What do you think?
Okay, it starts with the rating, man.
Yeah.
I have so much faith on Shein. I'm gonna give this one 6.5 because I have a feeling it's going to be better is that. So 6.5.
You can't give it 6.5 just because you think is better. What if you can outfit better? When I put outfit uyisho ukuthi ungayinika bani? Yebo, ishisa kabi nje le outfit ngabe 6.5 nabhoza
ne group.
Baby, ikwa ela. Hayibo, izwa akubona mashiniza lo. Ikwa ela. Hayibo, the ibhluke kazi ngalithanda. I love the quality of this pants. Ukuthi nje angazi ngifuna kanjani ngale babhale. Babhale dada manje komeni babhaleni. But I really love the quality of it. It matches well with le lona. I got this in small and I got this in medium. Yeah.
Yes.
Why ingoma?
Ingoma zeshingo.
Ingoma ithini?
Okay, ingoma khona ingoma yakhe ethi baddest. Baddest. So we are the baddest in the game.
Wow, baddest. Mela ngithi ngifika nje uyayithola ingoma. Uyayithola ingoma.
Yabona ke le is giving Ringo ngiyagodola le. Ithini ngomazungu. Western sun.
Hey, kuyawanda ekhaya.
Oh.
Ngiyakuzwa manje. Mina I'm feeling asilale emakhaya namhlanje. It's very vibey, it's very yabona ngigqoke kwi-event. I got the badla le in all medium, also it blew in medium, but it blue lenza lento engayithandi ibhebla.
Yeah,
Lo 3/4 saqopha kodwa kusapush. Yabo?
no, you
It's very nice. What do you rate this?
Okay, then.
I like it, boss.
Yeah, this one it's a 7. Yeah? It's vibrant. It's moving. You understand? So right here, other than the layer. Yeah.
Okay.
So we go and then.
I think you could rock it with a small kitten heel, like those one ramangan,
Yeah.
or also nothing, babe. Honestly,
So it's a
Yeah.
Mama,
a heel no me but I think a heel would do. I'm not saying it's not gonna make sense.
yeah, no, you use a mash. But here, yeah.
Because when you rate somebody, then no, rate dlala nathi lapho kuma comments. Yabo usho rate wakho engakasho umyeni. Yeah.
Hamselan nan. Hamselan nan.
Let's go for outfit 3. Into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi I'll keep the pants, I'll change the tops for now before we move on to the next full feet. So I'm just changing tops. Yeah, we. Hey, get the person who's the one is in Assam.
Okay, I'm back. You can come.
Baby, ngizohamba kanje, ngizohamba reverse because manje shem let it
Yeah,
look
babe.
likhamisile la ngaphandle.
Yeah, ngifuna abantu bebona into zami la.
Yeah.
Okay, ingoma, Rich Girl, ithi ingoma Eva Fits. Asamse Rich. Kwa le ngoma yobe nethi.
The dark is full of beat.
Ayibona umphatha le
Yeah. Lalela series after this.
How?
Rich Gang. Yeah.
Yes.
What would you rate Iskiba?
Sword.
Yeah, I feel like Leskiba is very popular there. Nje nami I've been wanting it, but bengisabi ikhwaya khona ke inhle. Ayifana le ebhala ukuthi kiss me, it's my birthday. Yakhumbula leyo ngathi usiqwa ngani isihlakazela
Okay.
even the color.
You skip a 7. I'm giving 7.
Yeah, sinekhwa guys.
Equality khona right. And no Rich Girl ngeke ehlakazeke. Ubona mase
Yeah. Ubona iprint pause menza leyo mpahla le ngathi iyadla stretch. Goye kanye washa kanye cha. Ikhwaya khona shema khona. So yeah.
7.
Reverse baby. Reverse. Ngiyozama skip futhi namanje. Ngiyabona.
Skip alone.
Yes.
Okay. Yabona nje le ile ethi motorsports.
Oh.
Yabona ka Cardi B is ukuthi
Motorsport.
ngithula ke
Represent. Chesa. Never chesa.
Oh.
Mask off. Has iyale.
Siwezi
So then, okay, remix.
But ne remix ayo.
Ah. DJ Songs. What's wrong?
I was straight, man. I was straight.
Okay, rate it please.
Okay, I'm a bit disappointed, ne? I thought this was a leather jacket.
Awu uyifanele nami sokala ngicela ukutshengisa up close weboss.
I thought this was.
Uyayibona moyibuka. Ngazuthi motorsports F1 nani ukhwashu. Kodwa inayo ke leyo lona I jacket. Yaqhubeka sokala.
So, ama expectations ami ngizenikeza ungakhali. Ungakhali. It was 8 because it was gonna be a cool dope jacket. I'm disappointed. It's a 6.
Yeah, I'm also disappointed. I mean, I'd give it a 4, honestly, because it's giving, I'd wear it once and kill it in pictures, but in reality, this is not it. I was hoping for a later jacket. This is not later, but I think I wasn't with hand. You only
Ihembe nyana nje.
Yeah. Yes.
Reverse dash.
Yabuya le manje ngizoshintsha.
Sekuyasho.
Sekashuka.
Akunabe ungalala akareport kumina shubile.
You can come.
Hello.
Yabona this is my favorite. Ingoma yakho lithi uzothatha kiss.
Hey, uzothatha kiss.
Hayi yabona ke this is
Baby,
nice.
ngiyayithanda. I love it so much. I love the top. It's from Urome Banban. I got it in small.
Yes.
It's fitting very nice. Izukwa.
Sure.
And khona impahla yenza so you can even wear it.
Oh,
Yabo.
yeah.
Ingwe mabalabala. Ingwe. Baby, jean. Ngiyaqala ukuthenga i-jean ka-Shein, guys. I've been doubting ama-jean ka-Shein. This is the biggest size, size 31. Ibhoza phela kade ijima, so sinciphi. This is how the jeans look. It's a low rise, but still, bafike nebhat. Ngiyithanda the detailing, baby, lapha. Ngako thinta lapha. No, baby, thinta lapha. Angiyisayiveza izinqindi zamfazi ka-K. But do you like it?
It's a nice.
I love it. Ngiyithanda bose ngifake nama-trainer lana nama-accessories. I love it so much. Into engifuna ukuyisho bhoza ukuthi baba le fit.
So much.
Baba le fit ifethu mina I give it an 8, but I wouldn't rate it kanje, babe. I feel like it's a lot that's happening. Ichini busy, ingwe mabalabala busy. But what I also really love about le fit, baby, ichim iyabonakala la engalweni. Hayi ukuthi ngiyathola boss, but baby yabo omjebe babasekho kakhulu. So I really like how my
Iskoramu is showing.
back here.
Iskoramu is showing.
Yabona nje khona lento eyenzakalayo.
This is a 9. Wait, I'm not going to start but we're going to see.
Oh,
This is a 9.
clock it. Some sort of any outfit.
Come.
I just want to show you.
I'm gay. How gay.
I'm showing you the jacket.
Oh, I it's okay, Pele.
No.
I listen now. Okay.
I'm showing you. What's up like, Mama?
Okay, then it's how gay.
This is very nice. I love the quality of this jacket. It's cropped. Love something that it's cropped. Love it. Yeah, the quality is very nice. What would you rate this jacket?
Because it's cropped.
Yes, the winter.
And then quality of
Yes.
So it's a 7. So it's 7.
I'd give this a 9.
A 9.
Yes, definitely. Amatomazai would understand, and if you are a nigga, you will also understand. Lapho mfethu if umuntu wasephesheya lento le wasehamile kuzocela ukuthi ngiyamthuka. Happy size ngiyozomlone lana. Inika lana phela inika my dog. Hayi inika le inhlamba. Ngiyazi ke leli isho phesheya. I said, yeah, I love it so much. Let's go and try on another jacket, of which favorite yam. Ngizophoxa kakhulu mengase ninginike inamba engaphansi kwa-6. Noma
I'm saying
love this jacket. Oh my god.
Okay. Now it's okay. Yabona ke manje. Khona ingoma ethi uGhost bami.
UGhost bami ngiyandazi. It's very nice. I think you could also wear it because it's a bit baggy. Ngiyazibona ngijima ngayo le jacket, ngiyazibona ngi. I love it. I actually love it. The kwabi ibhalwe le mpahla le. Awuyifuni?
Awuthi napla. Ngathi sibhala ukuthi someone. Athi isho kanjalo.
I-brand entwempuke ka-Shein le iyaziwa.
No, stop.
Yabo ibhaliwe boza namapakethe.
Family ibhalwe someone. It's someone.
Yeah, what would you rate the jacket? I mean, I'd give it a 9.
Okay. Mina same category nale, but a bit better, so it's 8.5. 8.5. 8.5.
When you think about what, it's on the fun. Love red. If it's not blue, it's red. Content Jennifer.
Ngiqala ngawo
Okay.
ezinto ngiqala ngawo.
Into engiqala na.
Angifuna nokungenelela.
Okay.
Washa. Ngiyakuzwa ke. Oh, brown.
I love it. Oh, yeah, that's not fair.
Washa. Wonga mashita brown sewathola.
Babe, this is beautiful. This is
And
beautiful.
now
I love this
shade
jacket.
of brown, so we are
Ah, Brazilian uyayazi ibanat i-version ka-ibanat ithi uyindoni yamanzi. Anyways, this is our last item. It's a Mandela haul, but let us enjoy it. Umyeni ayirete, and Boza, this is my favorite outfit. The jacket, ikwa. It's giving. We are more than chitalo baby.
Yeah.
Uka ikwa ilayda ke le yangempela. Hayi le ya jacket enhlobhe. Baby, uyambona umjida lo usidumo lo wemjaha usidumo kunezela it's giving like Kasha vibes. Yo, I love it. The pants.
Oh yeah.
Did we talk about the pants? This is a quadro. Touch
Yes,
it, feel it. Inamaphakethe. Yo. Go to gym, kids. Stay in school. Go to gym.
It's command, my daughter.
In the next 2 years, if ngiqhubeka ngiye gym every day ngingaskole
Ejimini ungasteps. Zincane izinto engakuvimba here and there, but then you know ukuthi uza noma kunjani.
ngizoya. Baby, ungayenzi lento engifuna uyicabanga. Ungayenzi.
Ayikho into engizoyenza.
Ungayenzi nje izinto ezibhedayo.
Ayikho izinto ezibhedayo
Izinto
engizoyenza.
ezibhedayo.
Kanti mase kunjalo uyabuza kuyavala ejimini mase kunjalo.
Ngiyadlala baby akufana gymini.
Ungahambi sisi.
Boza, what would you give this outfit before Mieni says it? Mina, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. And that's why I give it to Mieni.
Yeah, okay.
Winner?
10 is okay, now I'll give it a 9.5 because 10 is so extreme. It's
Okay.
because you can't go any better than this.
Okay, what do you think?
9.5.
Blue was sishintshe. Yini ongathanda ukuyishintsha?
Ayikho into engathanda.
Pho indaba ngayini ku-10?
We accessorizing is gonna be a 10 if for my accessories. And ungasambi ngeenyawo. So it needs a bit of support here and there.
Ngiyakuzwa
And
mina
it's gonna be a 10.
Sokalala. Ngiyakuzwa.
Yabona ibuko zakho lezi brown
Gold.
oh noma lama lezi Chinese ade senza ngazo
U-era wami lo no-ready.
No, era.
Mhlawumbe ngivele ngithi Crocs el-red.
Yeah, understand.
Ngithi lo vegana. Burgundy. Oh, ngiyakuzwa baby. Athi something. Okay, ngiyakuzwa. Kahle, yes. Oh, I love this. I love this jacket. And you're gonna see me wearing it a lot. Boza, kuyimanje kuduma ukuthi i-hairstyle yami yobe injani mase ngenze le anno. Bengizoyiqola i-outfit mase ngihambe noSuzuki next week. Yonke umkhazi. Lalela, kumele ngishintshe ikhanda-ke manje kusasa nje. Ima. Baby.
Yeah.
Sengifake le weave. Baby, sengifake le weave. Sengithe hlaka. Hawe ma, ngiyayizwa babe. Boza mfethu kumnandi ukuhlala nawe. Ngiyayizama nempahla ye-makeup. Ngisayizama nje uyabona nawe uyishiya lisawugqinsi but kancane kancane until we get it right. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching until the very end. Woza soka lami sizobonga amabhoza. Uthi yes. Yeah, I was also enjoying it so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you really enjoyed it too, just post some love in the comment section. Road to 120,000 subscribers. Ready.
Hayi.
Sekuthanda phoza ngizobona kwivideo elandelayo okwamanje kulungile ke. Bye. Ngizobona very soon.
Okay, usengile nganisa nami jackets fast.
Okay.
Shesha.
Basithanda laba abahlalile noma sesithe bye bangahamba. Buka. Yinhle baby yafanele.
And it's none. I found
Shiniza mesethi enye video ngizo-order.
jacket.
Yabona lesikipho esiyelo ngisi-orderile nguJi. Hawe maye seyibona lento umashiniza. Kodwa phela umashiniza usaze lapha isingisi.
Hayi bo uzowazi ngani.
Ish. Uyobe setshelwe yini?
Thank you my love. Wena wenza ngimuhle. Awestela sakho. Awestela sakho.
Aha, phela. Aka-enjoy because uyeza la.
Sexile man. Hey,
Yo guys, this is not nice. I'm gonna do like a whole journal on my TikTok. So follow me there. So besikhuluma kabanzi about this. I'm on day 3.
Ubuhlungu njani?
Ubuhlungu. Kuhlungu.
Ayikho ubuhlungu njani.
Boza bye mfethu ukusafuna ukukhamba nawe ngiyazi for sure. Bye boza.
Ayikho ubuhlungu.
Boza bye. For sure boza sithi manje. Ungaha.
Ningaha.